Hello student, welcome to KD Talk. I am Krupasindhu, your educator and guide. In this video, we will discuss about energy and work. This is the second part of the video that we have made previously on the chapter 12, that is force, energy and work. So let's get started. In the previous video, we have discussed about the force, like what is force, what are the types of force like gravitational force, frictional force, and how frictions have an important role in our day-to-day life. In this video, we will learn about the energy and work. Okay, so from here, energy. First, we should know what is energy. Energy can be defined as the ability to do work. Okay, what we can think of energy, like anything that can carry out an action or maintain a system, that is energy. Without energy, everything comes to a halt, means everything will be stopped. There are different kind of energy. Out of them, solar energy, water energy, fuel energy, these are the main types of energy. And what is solar energy? Solar energy is the energy that comes from sun, and as we have previously described in the first video, that is plant is the only converter that can use the solar energy as a source of energy to produce food. Now we have developed different kind of devices to use that solar energy to use in our day-to-day life. Like we are able to make solar cooker, with the help of which we can cook, and we have made heat water, solar energy heat and that will heat our water. We have made calculator, watches and bulbs that are works on the solar energy. So the technology is very much advanced, so that we are able to use the solar energy that is used by the plant. So after that comes to the wind energy. When wind are used to produce electricity, we called them wind energy. How it is working means when wind turns the windmill, blades of the windmills, it will spin the generator that is in the ground region of the windmill. Like here there will be generator, and when the wind turns the blade, like this blade will rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise to produce electricity. And nowadays we are using this kind of windmills in the area where the wind flows 24/7. Okay, and there are different company, they are sponsoring this kind of system to rural area also, to minimize the consumption of our natural resources. So comes to the next point, like water energy. This is another source of energy. Like if we are in Odisha, here the electricity we are using that comes from the water. That is when a large amount of water is poured into a blade of a generator, that will rotate the turbine. From that turbine we can produce electricity, and that electricity is transferred to our homes so that we can use them. And in the energy that is created by water is known as hydropower, like wind energy and water energy. These are helps to generate electricity. Now comes to the fuel energy. Fuel are burned to produce heat and power, like coal, petroleum. These are the fuel energy. We burn them to produce heat and electricity. Heat and power. Like in our homes, we use LPG gas. In our vehicles, we are using petroleum such as petrol, diesel, CNG, or compressed natural gases, or kerosene also. LPG are used in our kitchen to cook food. So comes to the next point, that is work. What is work? Work is done when a force is applied to an object moves that object. Didn't get my point? When we apply a force to a object, if that force able to move the object, then we can say we have done a work. Are you getting my point? Yeah. And this kind of work is done by machines. Machines are specially designed to do our task. Then the question arises, what is machine? Machine is anything that reduces human efforts. Means machine is something that makes the work of human beings easier and faster. Like let's take an example of computer or laptop. It will calculate thousands of things in few seconds. In our homes, we have different kind of machines like washing machines, computers, mixer grinder, cars, buses, calculator. All these things are machine. They are specially designed to do specific work so that we can work efficiently. Okay. Now comes to the simple machine. As we all know that cars and buses are big machines. They have smaller parts, and these parts are very complicated and designed in a very precise manner. They have different kind of pulleys, balls. Different kind of parts are assembled together to make these big machines. But we have also some simple machines like scissors, hammer, knives. All these things are simple machines. Such machines have very few or no moving parts. Like the scissor have only one moving part, and these are the lever. What is lever? Lever is a long rod that is used to lift some big object. Like here a person is trying to lift the big rock with the help of this lever. Okay. Now comes to the next point, that is wheel and axle. In cars there is steering, which is an example of wheel and axle. Here a rod is connected centrally to this wheel, and this wheel together do the work done. Means this steering will control the movement of wheels that will control a car or a bus. So comes to the next point. What is this? The inclined plane. What is inclined plane and why these are designed? You might have seen this kind of structure in child's park. Here children will step off here and will sliding down to here. It is entertaining, am I right? Okay. These are the inclined plane. What is inclined plane? Inclined plane is a ramp or a plane surface set at an angle to another surface. Okay. The one end is left on the ground and the other end is will be at a higher place. Okay. These inclined planes are specially designed to lift the object from ground to a higher place, and or vice versa, or a object from a higher place to lower place. Okay, now comes the next point. What is wedge? Wedge is anything that cuts off the object, like axe, knife. These are wedges. Clear? Okay. Now comes to the thing pulley. Pulley, you might have seen this kind of structure in cranes, in construction area. Okay. Now what is pulley? Pulley is actually a version of wheel and axle that is combined with rope or a chain or to a cord to allow moving something up or down or back or forth. Okay. And pulley can be combined with other pulley to reduce the amount of effort needed to lift huge object. The use of pulley is being done to lift the huge object from ground to a upper place in construction area or the many area. Like here, this is a pulley. It is used to lift water from underground. Okay, these are the example of pulley. Now comes to the point, the simple machine, that is screw. What is screw? Screw can be defined as a twisted inclined plane. It allows the movement from lower position to a higher position, but at the same time it moves in a circle. Means the movement will start at here and it will gradually move towards the top head of the screw, and apart from that, the screw is moving in a circle. If we put a screw driver here and rotate the screw, it will move forward. The screw can act to hold things together in some cases. Okay, so what we have learned in this, we have learned here gravitational force, that is the force of attraction between two objects that have mass. Friction, it helps the object to move. Energy, that is the ability to do work. And work, that is if we apply a force on an object and the object moves, then we can say we have done something and we called it work. So this is all about force, energy and work. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get the new updates of video. And if you really think this video is informative, it can help to your friends, then definitely share the video with your friends. So thank you.